Yo, what's up, learning machines? Welcome back to another video. That is $87,000 in just 20 days of this month so far. And yesterday, $3,900. And just today, at the end of the day here, $4,100. Let's go. So welcome back to another video of the month, learning machine. It's pretty late here, so I'm going to be quick, but hopefully you get value out of this video. It was never like this. You know, I'm showing different huge results that are happening for me just this month. I should have been doing this even more often throughout the last whole year, because every single day is insane. You know, every single month is insane. And I should be literally posting them. But anyway, it has not always been like this. And in the last 3 years, I've made more money than I know what to do with. And I'm so grateful. But it was never like that. And to get to this point, I sacrificed a lot. And I discovered things over time to make money extremely fast and easy. But I didn't know these things in the beginning. And some of my income streams required a ton of work to build up, especially the one I just showed you. That required a lot of work. Okay, now there's easier ways to make money, like doing paid ads and flipping your cash very quickly, like you can do with adult marketing and like you can do with different methods I talk about. But when it comes to building a YouTube channel like the Cash Cow channel I have, that took me a lot of work and a lot of sacrifice. And, you know, it's worth it in the end for sure. You know, it's not easy, but it's 100% worth it. It's 100% worth the grind, the effort, the hustle, and the energy. And so, you know, at the end of the day, when it comes down to success, you really got to go for it. You really got to like put your all into it, because usually effort does equal results. If you put low amount of effort in, you're going to get very low results. If you put a lot of effort in, you're going to get really high results. That's usually how it works. But when it comes to money, what you always want to be looking for is a low input, or building systems for low input for a lot of output and a lot of money output. And being able to have a system that can constantly scale and keep doing that. Now that's super important. But anyway, it was never like this. I have never, especially growing up, I never had money, like ever. I worked jobs I hated. I was fired from most of my jobs. Back in high school, I was bullied very, very badly, multiple times. More of a psychological bullying. And that really made me sad back then. But that wasn't all. Like, I was very suicidal. I had a little bit of depression parts of me growing up. And I didn't need that, because I grew up and still grew up in a very great household. Amazing people, amazing family members, amazing friends and everything, and cousins and all that. But anyway, I was just very suicidal and depressed. Now, the one thing that kept me going was just the goal and desire to make money online, like make my first $100, first $1,000, and then on. I never really thought it was possible until I first saw my first results with it. And I remember it was like 12 cents, the first results with Amazon affiliate program. That was awesome. And I freaked out. And then I went on to start doing CPA marketing, what the results you saw at the beginning of this video for this month so far in 20 days, that is just from Max Bounty. And that is a CPA marketing platform. And they have a ton of offers you could promote. And what CPA marketing means, it's just cost per action. Every time someone fills in an email, you get paid $1 to $3, sometimes more, depending on the offer. And man, that's just so powerful. And anyway, I failed a ton in the beginning. I mean, I probably tried over at least minimum 10 things within a certain time frame, a few months or something in the beginning, and then took more action, failed. But I learned as I went. You know, I always failed forward and figured out things. And I think that's super important for anyone watching, is like, if you want success, money, etc., of any level, fail forward. And as you fail forward, you will always get new lessons and learn new things that will make you just make it super duper far in your life, and especially your income. And then develop skill sets. Skill sets are so extremely valuable in knowledge. These things, if you lose everything, you have them and you can make more money back. And so because this channel and personal brand is a side of me that I show online, and we're just talking about money, this is why I'm making a video about money. If you like it, let me know down below. But I got way more sides to me, and in the next few months, I'm going to just be showcasing my lifestyle and just post videos, just showing my life. Okay, So stay tuned for that. If you want to support the channel and especially make more money for yourself, all the money just goes to pretty soon just promoting the channel and growing the audience, okay? Over time on this channel, I've made a certain amount of money with it, but I always push the money to other things and investments. Now all the money is just going to go into advertising and making great content for you guys. So that's where all the money is going to, nothing else. It's not going to me for a better living or something. It's going to you for better content. Obviously, that'll fund maybe a crazier lifestyle, but I already have these income streams that are funding that. So at the end of the day, if you want to make more money, I am the right person to learn from. I honestly don't think there's anyone else better to learn from. But it depends on what they're an expert at. You know, if you want to make a lot of money in marketing online, I think I'm the person to learn from. If you want to make a lot of money in affiliate marketing, I'm the person to learn from. If you want to know how to grow a YouTube channel like the Cash Cow YouTube channel I have with millions of views per day, millions of subscribers, millions of views per month, and thousands of dollars per day, like, I'm the person to learn from for that. But when it comes to real estate, I don't know much about that. When it comes to cryptocurrency, I know a medium amount of that. I've made a lot of money with cryptocurrency, but it's kind of luck because I just got started early and put a lot of money in it, and over time put money in it. And then I cashed out very recently. At the beginning of this year, I cashed out. I don't do crypto anymore. But anyway, learn from top level authorities if you want to make money doing those things. I can tell you right now, there is no better skill set in the world than marketing. Nothing is better than marketing, bro. Because you grow an asset that's online of customers and audiences and email lists that you can promote an offer to, or a product or a service, and you can make basically endless amounts of money depending on the size of the audience, and a percentage of people will always buy. A percentage of people always convert. And so there's no better asset in the world, no better skill in the world than understanding marketing. Marketing comes first. Sales comes second, and sales is very easy and straightforward when you have a good offer anyway. And so marketing is the key. And anyway, grow that skill. If you guys want to get a relevant program to these results that I got here in this video, the Super Affiliate Marketing course has sweepstake marketing training, like in depth, teaching exactly how I've gotten results in the beginning all the way to the middle, and what I'm doing now to this day with sweepstake marketing and YouTube. I talk about that in a whole section inside the whole program. Then I throw in a ton of free programs from tons of places, okay? All worth over $1,000, just tons, okay? I won't go too specific on that, but that's like a free bonus. And then I have a brand new Super Affiliate Marketing program inside that's all refurbished, brand new. And then I have the older version, which is all updated and crazy. So this program is extremely valuable for the price it's at right now, but I will have a discount code down below in the description of this video. You can check out that discount code down below, and then you can make a decision on your purchase or whatever. But the discount code will be gone. Remember, this supports the channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and peace out. Have a wonderful day or good night's sleep, and peace out, y'all. Peace. Let's get to work.